In Muslim Sharia law or Muslim law, divorce is considered to be evil, but sometimes this evil becomes necessary. Here is a detailed article on what should Muslim women do to divorce with her husband in India. Muslim women in India can get a divorce from their husband through two customary ways. One is through their personal Sharia law through Tafweez and Lian, the other through the statutory provision under Dissolution of Muslim Marriage Act 1930. Islam gives wife a right to initiate the process to come out of material bond or seek for divorce on the grounds recognized under Muslim law. It is no more exclusive domain of a husband to end the marriage contract by unilaterally pronouncing talaq. Though the wife does not have a right to pronounce talaq unless such a power is delegated to her by her husband at the time of contracting marriage. All the same, she is given a right to seek divorce through intervention of qazi on the grounds pleaded by her or by mutual consent on the terms agreed by the parties. This is the exercise of the right of divorce by talaq by the wife through the power delegated to her by her husband who is of age at the time of the marriage or even after. The delegation of the right of divorce by the husband in favor of the wife may be conditional or unconditional, but it is not, however, revocable. It has also been held that the mere fact that the husband has delegated to the wife the power of pronouncement of her own talaq did not deprive the husband of his right to pronounce talaq. In Talaaq-i-tafweez, wife needs to purchase divorce from her husband as husband's content is essential for tafweez. In Talaaq-i-tafweez, husband delegates his right of giving divorce to any person as an agent even to his wife, and that person is possessed with the right of pronouncing a divorce on behalf of the husband. A divorce through Talaaq-i-tafweez must be dependent upon the contingency of happening or not happening of a condition, and that condition is mostly when men are cruel to their wife or incapable of taking care of her finances. The right of remarriage of the divorced couple whose marriage is dissolved talaq by the wife must naturally depend upon the mode of talaq chosen by the wife.